What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 2 of Arizona Bike Week. And if you're just getting here, make sure you check out our ride out here and day 1. So today we're gonna head over to Scottsdale, Harley Davidson, go check out the events over there, hit up Moto Mayhem, where Cruisy Original is gonna be showing off some incredible stunts. We're gonna go down to Cave Creek. So you guys are gonna see all the motorcycle rally stuff today in this video. Stick around, I hope you enjoy this one. Go. Welcome to Cave Creek. Gauge your ears with that thing.
No, it's a 1-to-1 ratio model of my peas.
You can't put that on YouTube.
Oh. Censor it.
Jeremy rides.
What's up?
So super pumped running to other YouTubers. Super cool. We're over at Scottsdale Harley, checking out the Southwest Club Style Bike Show and having a good time.
Dude, it's crazy out here. If you have never been here, you have to check it out. Bikes are badass. There's so many people out here, cool vendors. These guys are here. Come on, Iron Fam. What the heck, dude?
Got to chat for a little bit. They rode out from Utah, hit some snow.
Too much snow. 10 hours of snow, man. I am so blessed to be here and you guys' beautiful Arizona weather right now, getting probably a sunburn, but
way different than that Phoenix riding.
Yeah.
So
right.
cool. Well, so good to meet you guys.
Hey, same, bro.
And you guys have a great Arizona Bike Week.
All right, man. Right,
All right, see you guys. Moto Mayhem! I gotta do a shout out to Blakline Speed Shop for hooking us up with the tickets, man. Thank you guys, we appreciate it. And we'll show you from this camera what it's all about. Sorry you guys missed it. Sorry you guys couldn't come out here to Arizona Bike Week. I know work comes first, but I can't wait to ride with you guys this year. All right, check out this video. Three monsters for the win. That's what I want to see right there. Alright, stand up that rear plate, come to the circuit. After a long day of rally events, we made our way back to the Airbnb. The sun started to set, creating the perfect lighting, so Curtis pulled out his camera. One last group photo of an unforgettable trip. But why stop here? We decided to fire up the bikes and get some sick rollers. But somewhere along the road, it hit us. The best part of this trip wasn't the rally. It wasn't the stunt shows or the vendor booths or even the shiny new parts. It was the journey out here, plowing through snow with frozen fingers full of excitement. It was exploring the dusty streets of Goldfield Ghost Town, the windy roads to Tortilla Flats. It was steaks on the grill, stories around the table, and laughter echoing through the night. Those were the moments, the ones we'll remember. Because yeah, events are cool, but for us, we'd rather be riding.